Yo, what's up, amazing and lovely people? It's your boy, it's your homie Lil Cash, and I'm back again with another video, another review, and another reaction. Yo, guys, I'm back. I'm back with the Mohsen Chavoshi, and today we're gonna react to its Parishan official sound, guys. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be amazing. I really can't wait to watch this video. But you already know what channel to do. You hit that like button, you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my IG and Twitter. Link is in the description, guys. So yo guys, let's get started. Wow. You know, we don't have the subtitles, and I can't do anything about it. Like, there are a few people in comment section, yo, you should react to the subtitle. What you did, man? Man, come on, I don't have the subtitle. I can do nothing about it. I don't know how to edit, but it's fine. What a sound. What a music. Who is the music producer? Wow.
آن دوست که من دارم آن یار که من دانم شیرین دهنی دارد دور از لب و دندانم وقتی نکند با من کان شاخص نوبر را بنشینم و بنشانم گلی بر سرش افشانم.
You know, guys, Mohsen Chavoshi music. It's like, you know, if you close your eyes, then there are like so many artists singing. But when you listen to Mohsen Chavoshi voice, you're gonna recognize him easily. Because his voice it's so unique, it's deep, and at the same time, you know, like the way he pronounced the words, it's like he's stressing on few words, and his style is totally different, you know, and I really like it. And again, I think like he's talking about, you know, his beloved. I'm damn sure, you know. Wow. Wow. It's fast music. Wow.
از طرح وجود من چون یاد تو میارم خود هیچ نمیمانم ای خوب تر از لیلی است که چون مجنون عشق تو بگرداند در کوه بیابانم ای کاش زمین دشمن گر روی به من آرند از روی تو بیزارم گر روی بگردانم یک باش زمین دشمن گر روی به من آرند از روی تو بیزارم گر روی بگردانم.
You know, it's like a rock music. It's like a rock music. And I think, you know, Mohsen, it was amazing song, first of all, guys. And I think, you know, the Mohsen Chavoshi, he is perfect for having the smooth music. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause he got the smooth voice. So not fast music or not like, like rock music, rock and roll. The way he sings, I think the piano is perfect for him. Piano and sometimes guitar. Because like, he talks about emotions and feelings all the time. So when you start listening to the fast music, like the rock music, you kind of feel like, yo, I want to dance, You forget about the emotions, you start focusing on the music. You know what I'm saying? It happens like when you start listening to rock music, it seems like, you're lost. You start, enjoying, start shaking your whole body because you're enjoying the music. It's fast music. It's like it's controlling you. But when it comes to the slow music, or the smooth one, it touches you. It touches you, and at the same time, you enjoy it and also feel the emotions. And I think for Mohsen Chavoshi, it's fine, we have to try everything. It's fine. But I think like for Mohsen Chavoshi, the slow music is perfect for him. It's perfect. And I really enjoyed it. And I think like, again, he was talking about the pain and sufferings, because like he always do that. He always talk about these things in his music. So I feel that same thing happened here. Yeah, guys. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Share it with your friends and with your family. And until next time, yo, bye-bye.